Starting around 11 November 2023, torrential slide basically is exchanging at $14.31 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.8% in sort of most recent 60 minutes. Avax for the most part has an all-out market cap of $5,084,458,978, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $633,569,065 in an unobtrusive manner. This basically makes torrential slide, Avax, certainly positioning at 19 in the cryptographic money market. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what for the most part is the torrential slide cost expectation end of 2023, what will torrential slide fundamentally be by and large worth in 2023, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking? Is torrential slide a truly wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2023, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking? Will Avax cost really outperform its unequaled high? These sort of are our torrential slide cost expectations for Avax's future, exhibiting the way in which this essentially makes torrential slide, Avax, especially positioning at 19 in the digital currency market in a really significant manner. Torrential slide, Avax, value expectation 2023. As per the torrential slide conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Avax cost in a real sense is supposed to commonly cross a for the most part normal value level of $14.49. The normal kind of least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the by and large current year ought to really be $13.85 in an extremely significant manner. Besides, Avax can truly arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $16.26, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Avax value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of torrential slide in every practical sense is gauged to, in a real sense, be at around a for the most part least worth of $12.11, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The torrential slide value worth can in a real sense arrive at an exceptionally limit of $13.77, with the really normal exchanging worth of $13.39 in United States dollars, or so they generally thought. Torrential slide, Avax, value figure September 2023. The torrential slide, Avax cost for September 2023 may for the most part arrive at a very least worth of $13.14, while the essentially greatest estimated cost in every way that really matters is around $14.30 in an exceptionally huge way. The truly normal cost for Avax truly is in a real sense anticipated to explicitly reach $13.65 in September 2023 in a kind of huge way. Torrential slide value conjecture October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of torrential slide really is supposed to generally be at around at least $13.29, showing how in addition Avax can essentially arrive at a fundamentally greatest value level of $16.26. Torrential slide cost can in every practical sense arrive at a fundamentally limit of $14.85, with the genuinely normal cost of $13.93 in United States dollars, showing how Avax value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of torrential slide for the most part is gauged to generally be at around an essentially least worth of $12.11 in an essentially significant manner. Torrential slide value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the really greatest cost for torrential slide could especially stretch around $15.55, by and large, in spite of prevalent thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of Avax in November 2023 especially is $13.57, with an exceptionally normal cost of $14.20 in an unobtrusive manner. Torrential slide cost expectation December 2023. Torrential slide cost in every way that really matters is supposed to generally reach between $13.85 to $16.26 in December 2023, while the genuinely normal cost of Avax for the December basically remains around $14.49 torrential slide, especially past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Avalanche's cost basically has shown a decent increment of 7.36% in the by and large most recent 24 hours, exhibiting how torrential slide value gauge October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of torrential slide certainly is supposed to fundamentally be at around a truly least of $13.29. Exhibiting how besides Avax can for the most part arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $16.26 in an especially significant manner. From genuinely most recent 7 days, the Avax basically was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 18.79%, which basically is genuinely huge. Torrential slide in a real sense has shown extremely kind of solid truly potential recently, and this could be somewhat great chance to buy and large dive right in and contribute, or so they for the most part thought. Inside the in every way that really matters, most recent 1 month, the cost of Avax all things considered diminished by 32.649%, disposing of an astounding pretty typical amount of $6.93 from its fundamentally current worth, or so they for the most part thought. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a very decent explicitly purchase a potential open door for exceptionally fast venture. The 90 days cost change certainly is near 19.59%, and the cost fundamentally coursed from a truly least truly normal cost of $16.54 to truly greatest certainly normal cost of $18.27 in the in every practical sense recent days, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. In by and large most recent 4 months torrential slide truly has shown a developing pattern, or so they generally thought. Consequently, we certainly believe that comparable pieces of the market truly were very famous at that period, showing that hence, we most certainly imagine that comparative pieces of the market really were very famous at that period. As indicated by the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of torrential slide sort of is expanded from 4 months, which essentially is genuinely critical. The exchanging volume comprises an imperative job in its cost in an unpretentious manner. The coin sort of is up by 15.56%, with the genuinely greatest exceptionally normal cost of the coin basically was around $11.78, and the really least in every practical sense, normal cost of for the most part was around $11.56 in all things considered, recent months, which sort of is very huge. Torrential slide value estimate 2023 facts. What will explicitly be torrential slide really worth in 2023, or so they in a real sense thought. The Avax cost certainly is determined to in a real sense arrive at a truly greatest degree of $16.26, with truly least cost of $13.85 toward the finish of 2023, showing that torrential slide, Avax, value expectation 2023, as per the torrential slide estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Avax value sort of is supposed to generally cross a truly normal value level of $14.49. The normal sort of least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the especially current year ought to really be $13.85, or so they fundamentally thought. Torrential slides basically have a future, all things considered, in opposition to prevalent thinking. As far as value, torrential slide in every practical sense has an exceptional kind of potential to truly arrive at new levels, showing that will Avax value sort of outperform its record-breaking high, which explicitly is very huge.